Breaking news just coming in. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar has called for a meeting this afternoon in Delhi after former Mumbai top cop drops a bombshell at Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar and NCP State Chief Jayant Patil to come to Delhi to attend this particular meeting. Issues like Anil Deshmukh's fate will be discussed. Sena MP Sanjay Raut is also going to be Delhi, which is coming to Delhi here to meet Sharad Pawar. Says Sharad Pawar will take the right decision.
काही अधिकाऱ्यांच्या माध्यमातून वगैरे ज्या गोष्टी इथे घडल्या त्याच्यावरती योग्य वेळी नियंत्रण आणणं गरजेचं होतं. अशा प्रकारचे आरोप होणं कुठल्याही मंत्र्यावर किंवा सरकारवर हे नक्कीच आमच्यासारख्यांना ते सरकारच्या बाहेर आहेत पण सरकारचे हितचिंतक आहेत ज्याने सरकार यावं म्हणून थोडेफार हानीचा वाटा उचलला आम्ही सगळ्यांनी त्यांच्यासाठी हे धक्कादायक आहे आणि म्हणून म्हणतो की सरकारला 1.5 वर्ष झालेलं आहे. प्रत्येकानं सरकारमधल्या प्रत्येक घटकानं आत्मपरीक्षण करणं गरजेचं आहे.
Reporting this crucial breaking development right there from Mumbai, from outside Anil Deshmukh's residence. Vidya, I'd like to come straight across to you for all the very latest developments here. Now, if one notices the letter that has been written by Parambir Singh to Uddhav Thackeray, you have to see point number 6. Point number 6, Parambir mentions that in one of the briefing sessions in the wake of the Antilia incident, he was called to Varsha, which is the Chief Minister's residence, to brief him about several deeds and malpractices being indulged by the Honorable Home Minister, Anil Deshmukh. He goes on to say that similarly I have briefed the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, the President of National Congress Party, Sharad Pawar as well. In the briefings, he says that I noticed some of the ministers were already aware about the aspects mentioned by me to them, which means that this information is not new. If at all this allegation is true, this information is not new, which is coming to Sharad Pawar. Now that it is out there, the complete Mahagadi Sarkar has gone for a toss into an absolute huddle in a damage control mode.
Which is precisely probably why, Chaiti, we had seen Shiv Sena still backing Parambir Singh. They did not go out openly against Parambir Singh. So Parambir Singh did not say anything in particular against the Shiv Sena as well. It was the Home Minister who at a press conference who spoke to the media and had very categorically said that there is an involvement of Parambir. There were allegations levelled against him by the Home Minister, which is the reason why his entire tenure had been curtailed in the as a Mumbai Police Commissioner, and he was shifted out. All that really did not go down well with Parambir Singh, and immediately he's fired this entire letter. And certainly it is this letter which has sent the entire NCP and the MVA into a huddle. They are now meeting. There is a meeting later in the day around 7 o'clock, what we have heard in the evening in Delhi, where all these people, Sanjay Raut, Jayant Patil, Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar will be meeting and holding a discussion as to what should be their next course of action. Remember, earlier we did see Sharad Pawar backing the Home Minister full on. He said very clearly that the Home Minister will not go in the wake of the entire allegations that had been levelled against Sachin Waze as well as Parambir Singh. But in spite of that, the Home Minister was backed by Sharad Pawar. But right now, with the latest salvo that has come really from the Parambir Singh himself, it is for sure that the important meeting that is being held in Delhi will certainly see an outcome later in the day.
All right, we'll continue tracking this development rather very closely. For the moment, thanks Vidya for joining us. The fate of Maharashtra